La Linterna, a printing journey through time. La Linterna, a Cali-based printing workshop established in 1934, is more than just a business. It's a trip down memory lane and a haven for nostalgia. They specialize in handcrafted posters using time-honored techniques like linoleum engraving and movable type, creating each piece as a unique work of art. Their San Antonio workshop is home to an impressive collection of vintage printing machines, some dating back as far as 1870. Facing financial hardship in 2016, La Linterna workers took a bold step. They seized control of the workshop, transforming it from a commercial operation into an institution dedicated to preserving this near-extinct printing craft. Today, La Linterna is a vibrant hub for Colombian and Latin American graphic design. Stepping inside their workshop is like entering a world untouched by digital screens. Here, words are born from wooden chabalites, and massive printing machines like the Marinoni and Reliance churn out posters using movable type and handcrafted linoleum prints. Their creations are a visual feast, featuring iconic Cali and Colombian figures, all immortalized in striking street poster form. La Linterna's journey is a testament to human passion and perseverance. Once on the brink of closure, they have not only survived the digital age but thrived, transforming themselves from commercial printers to cultural heritage keepers. From the booming 1990s when they printed posters for major events, to the near closure in the early 2000s, La Linterna has witnessed significant change. But through it all, their dedication to their craft has remained constant. On the verge of losing their precious machines, a stroke of luck intervened. Artists stepped in, proposing a deal with the owner that secured the machines for the workers. This marked a turning point for La Linterna. Under the leadership of the three master partners, Hector, Jaime and Olmedo, La Linterna embraced a new chapter. They transformed their space into a creative hub, hosting exhibitions, workshops and events. La Linterna's impact extends far beyond Cali. They've hosted printing residencies for renowned artists, fostering a global artistic exchange. For nearly a century, La Linterna's printing presses have narrated Cali's story. From their initial home in Santa Rosa to their current location in San Antonio, they've remained a constant presence in the city's cultural landscape. Their unique printing process, a stark contrast to the digital world, is precisely what makes them so special. Each poster is a meticulously crafted piece of art, gracing the walls of hotels, restaurants, and homes in Cali and beyond. The artistry behind these creations lies with the three master printers, Olmedo Franco Romero, Jaime Enrique Garcia, and Hector Otalvaro, who lead a skilled team. These vintage machines, built in the 19th century by European and American hands, breathe life into the ideas conceived by these artistic minds. Working with these old machines in today's technological age fills us with immense pride, says Jaime Garcia. What we do is more than just printing. It's art, and that's something truly valuable. La Linterna's story is one of overcoming adversity. They've not only weathered the technological revolution, but also emerged stronger from a challenging economic period. Their dedication to their craft and their embrace of artistic collaboration have secured their place as a vital center for Colombian and international graphic design. So, if you find yourself in Cali, don't miss a visit to La Linterna's workshop and store on San Antonio, Carrera 5 number 270. Immerse yourself in the history of printing, chat with the masters, and take home a piece of their artistry, a unique poster that could be from Cali or touring the world in an upcoming exhibition.